Good day and welcome to your AICI Daily News Summary for Friday, the 17th of October, 2025. So today, we're diving into Red Hat's new unified AI platform, the seismic shifts in digital advertising driven by AI search, and, the EU AI Office's stringent new auditing standards for high-risk systems. First up, a significant development for enterprise AI infrastructure. Red Hat has unveiled AI3, a groundbreaking unified platform for enterprise inference. Now, this platform is designed to tackle the critical scalability challenges organizations face when deploying large language models in production. So by integrating inference server capabilities, enterprise Linux optimizations, and OpenShift orchestration, Red Hat AI3 promises a 40% reduction in inference latency for complex workloads, enabling seamless LLM deployment across hybrid cloud environments. Joe Fernandez, Red Hat's VP of AI platforms, highlighted its strategic importance, stating it's about creating an intelligent infrastructure layer that dynamically manages resources while maintaining enterprise-grade security and compliance. AICI's view is that while the technical prowess is clear, Red Hat's commitment to open standards within this infrastructure is the true innovation, potentially bridging the gap between experimental AI and robust production systems. Mind you, organizations must carefully consider integration with existing governance frameworks, particularly for model versioning and audit trails. Basically, moving from infrastructure to market impact, a pivotal eMarketer report reveals that AI search behavior shifts challenge digital advertising triopoly. While the dominance of Google, Meta, and Amazon is eroding as consumers increasingly bypass traditional search ads in favor of conversational AI interfaces. The report indicates a 22% year-on-year decline in traditional search ad effectiveness, with users treating AI tools as answer engines that provide direct solutions, making conventional ad placements increasingly invisible. Interestingly, YouTube has emerged as a resilient platform, less susceptible to AI summarization due to its video-centric format. From AICI's perspective, honestly, this isn't just about declining click-through rates. It's, a fundamental paradigm shift. So marketers must reimagine value exchange, focusing on becoming the reward within AI workflows and urgently developing transparent attribution frameworks to satisfy both regulators and consumers. Finally, addressing the critical need for accountability, the EU AI Office has implemented stringent new auditing standards. The EU AI Office mandates new auditing standards for high-risk systems operating within member states. These requirements, effective immediately, compel organizations to conduct quarterly technical assessments focusing on bias detection in real-world deployment. Dr. Anja Müller, head of the EU AI Office, emphasized the need for dynamic auditing that captures how models behave with diverse user groups. The guidelines also stress explainability by design, requiring interpretability features to be embedded during development. AICI believes that while these auditing requirements may initially burden smaller innovators, they ultimately solidify Europe's position as a global standard setter for responsible AI. At the end of the day, the real challenge will be consistent enforcement across member states and preventing audit shopping, though the inclusion of third-party verification is a promising step. So in summary, today's news paints a vivid picture of AI's rapid evolution across all fronts, from the foundational infrastructure enabling its deployment through its transformative impact on consumer behavior and industry giants to the crucial regulatory frameworks ensuring its responsible development. The common thread is the urgent need for adaptability, transparency, and robust governance as AI continues to reshape our world. Anyway, we'll be here tomorrow to bring you the latest developments. Until then, stay curious. This was brought to you by AICI, your expert AI consultants. Please hit like and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve with all the latest from the world of AI. See you tomorrow.